I'm happy for you. I knew that you guys would be great together. Thank you for letting me know you guys for my whole life and everything. So cheers to you guys and forever and ever.
That was one of my stipulations, is I have to.
Right? I saw the pockets. I was like, what? Pockets!
Just don't do this.
Right? No.
They're great together. Growing up with Evan's always been kind of I guess you could say abrasive, kind of like an abrasive guy, but ever since he's been with Nicole, you can tell he's a lot happier and he's feeling it. He's heat checking right now. That's pretty much it right there.
Love you guys, love the night. You guys did great. They always are indecisive and can change their mind in a second. Everything. 3 different wedding dates. This is perfect.
Hi, I'm Alex, and I work with Nicole and Evan, and I don't know how they put up with each other every day, all day, but they do it, and they do it with love, and I'm just so happy for them.
We're so glad that you guys found each other. You are literally the best match that we possibly could have ever thought for either of you, and we hope you years of happiness.
I honestly never thought Evan was going to get married because he was a goofball in high school. He was just weird, socially awkward with people he didn't really care about, so he was just goofy. So I'm happy for him and Nicole. I'm excited to see where it goes, and hopefully, one day that he won't forget about all of his friends and hang out with us a little bit more often.
Hi, my name is Mom of the bride, now Mom of the groom too because they got married. Okay, so Nicole was supposed to do paperwork, food care program we call it, and everybody hates the food care program, and she could not focus because Evan. That's when she met Evan in the middle of an audit, and she could not focus because Evan. Like touching her ears because she was super nervous about everything, and Derek and I, her dad, always worried about somebody being able to take care of her and nurture her and just protect her the way she needed to be protected because she was very soft, and he's perfect. And we don't cry. I know. We're not crying. Okay, we're not crying. So if we would have been able to pick somebody and make somebody for Nicole, it would have been Evan. There's a bug on me. And now they're married. Okay, that's all. Okay, now you get to relent. Okay, so cheers. Cheers. Okay.
Yeah. Actually, it's funny because when I noticed when you guys were, I think, a perfect match was pretty recent when you guys actually made a recent Facebook post that I'd seen. I'm sure a lot of people seen it. And it was at one of your daycare centers, and security footage caught you guys dancing in your lobby after hours. Well, I seen that footage, and when I seen that footage, I noticed how you guys looked at each other and moved together and knew right away that you guys were a perfect match. Definitely soulmates. Glad you're a part of our family. Your family's I love your family, beautiful family, and I can't wait to get to spend more time with them. So congratulations, guys. Love you both.
We are gathered here today in the presence of God, in this company of loved ones and friends, to join together this man and this woman in the holy estate of marriage. They have called us to be witnesses to the pledges they are about to take. With our blessings and our prayers, who presents this bride to be wed to this man?
I hope that they will always love each other the way that they love each other exactly now, if not even more, because the way that they love each other is just, it's honestly beautiful and inspiring. Funny story is how picky Nicole is with her eating. Her and Evan always DoorDash their lunch, and every day it's either one thing or the other. It's never anything else. It's always the same thing. And she's always like, hey, you feeling teriyaki house? You feeling Subway? It's always one of those two. And if it's not one of those, it's Taco Bell. But who doesn't love Taco Bell?
Our Evan and Nicole they were kind of different in their own way, but when they come together, they make their different qualities better. So it's good to see that, because Evan really needed Nicole, and I think Nicole really needed Evan, and now look at them, they're pretty happy. So everybody can see that and pretty happy about it.
Evan, you may kiss your bride. It is now my great pleasure to present for the first time Mr. and Mrs. Ellingson.
Honestly, the free time that me and Nicole get after the ceremony, that's probably the most exciting part, and probably the last dance. That would be the best part.
I think what I'm most excited about is coming back into the bridal suite after we get married, like just with Evan alone. I think that's going to be a nice time. Special moment.
I think that she was really, really cute and little. That sounds weird, but it was. And that she was very shy, but not around me kind of thing. Like she was outgoing, but only with me. And it was a nice feeling.
Because he's silly. He's always so silly. And he keeps me in check.
I mean, we love them. We really love them. But they're something else. They love Evan. That's all I know.
Thunderous applause, Mr. and Mrs. Ellingson to their reception.
Me and Ethan's entrance was very cool. And we won, $100 in the pocket. We practiced, we learned it 20 minutes before, like, we did it. And we went to the DJ and he was like, we can't do that for, like, the actual entrance, maybe later. So we had to improvise. So it was cool because we won. There was no rules. They kind of just, like, let us do whatever we wanted, and then the only rule was there are no rules.
Well, I went down to the Grundy County auction where I saw something I just had to have. My mind told me I should proceed with bring 'em out, hey. Bring 'em out, bring 'em out, yeah. Bring 'em out, hey. Bring 'em out, VIP coming live from the VIP. Heard the nightlife, house life. Oh yeah. Things just go better together. And probably always will, like a cup of coffee and a sunrise, Sunday drives and time to kill. What's the point of this old guitar if it ain't got no strings? Or pouring your heart into a song that you ain't gonna sing. It's a match made up in heaven, like good old boys and bees.
He'll do anything for me, no matter what, like anything. There's times where he'll plug in my phone when I don't even, like, if I fall asleep. Every night I have a weighted blanket. He'll make sure to come in and put the weighted blanket on me, so I'm fine. He'll do anything for me. So, yeah, he's awesome. Hopefully kids. About to buy the daycare, so that'll be fun. But hopefully at least 3 kids. Big family. Obviously, I love you. But he's a shithead. I don't know if we're allowed to cuss on this, but he's a shit ass. I would honestly say the second time we hung out, it was just felt like we were together forever. So, felt like we've known each other forever.
I think she just completes me. She is part crazy that I need and the calmness that I need at different times, and she keeps it exciting. She keeps me on my toes. She keeps me going. Nose scrunching, it's definitely up there, and how much she cares about everybody else. Honestly, the same as it is now, just more kids, more animals, bigger house, everything just keeps on going. Nicole, I hope the day was everything you wanted, and I love you.
Say, hey, hey now, baby. Oh, mama, don't play now, baby. Say, hey, hey now, baby. So let's get one thing straight now, baby. Tell me if you love me or not, love me or not, love me or not. At the house on you, am I lucky or not, lucky or not, lucky or not? You gotta tell me if you love me or not, love me or not, love me or not. I'm wishing for you, am I lucky or not, lucky or not, lucky or not? I'm wishing for you. Try to do what I was doing.
1, 2, 3. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. All right.
We're married.
Yeah.
We're ready for bed.
That happened. Yep. Yes, or just kind of whatever. For it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Hello.
Hey.
Okay then.
Wrong door, that's crazy.